Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be taking us on how to make a kaftan placket like a professional, just as seen in the video. First and foremost, you draft out or you cut out your placket, the measurement and everything. For this video I did not show you how to cut the placket, but with my explanation you really get what I'm saying. For this placket, I'm using the collar stay, the thick collar stay. Collar stay is divided into two. We have the thick one and we have the light one. So this is the thick collar stay. It will give you a perfect result. For this placket, the length of my collar stay that I use for this placket is 14 inches for an adult placket. It's 14 inches by 1.3 width. That is, the wideness is 1.3, while the length is 14 inches. So when you get your placket, you place it on your fabrics as shown in the video. You just have to take your time, you don't have to rush. Then you iron it very well. Iron one side of the placket as shown in the video, just like this. Then you get your gum or your heat adhesive stay. So then you add your gum to it to one side by cutting it into two, just as shown in the video. Then you place your gum on one part of the folded place you did, which is maybe like the beginning part of your placket. Then you iron it and press it down, just as shown in the video. All you need to do is just for you to take your time. You don't have to rush, because a good finishing or a good job starts from you being calm in making your work look like a professional. That is one thing I do tell my students, that all you need to do is just to take your time and make sure your work come out neat. A neat work comes with good iron pressing and taking your time to do that. So after that, you fold one part of the placket just like this. Then you cut out 1 inch allowance. You see, you can see like I'm having a 1 inch left from the collar allowance. So you will see what we are going to achieve with that. Then after that one, you place your gum on the half part like this, because I believe if you follow this step by step, you will definitely get a perfect work. Even if you don't get the video the first time, you can watch it over and over again. And mind you, make sure you watch this video to the end, because at the end part there is something I did that is going to make your work stand out. So just take your time and watch the video to the end and practice. So after that, you see I folded the other part, I iron it. This is how professionals make placket. So then after, you fold the allowance we have on the placket, then you iron it now to get the gaiters of what we need, because this part is going to help you in fixing the placket on your kaftan. Don't worry, I will drop a video on how to fix the placket, but this video is mainly known how to make a perfect placket like a professional, neat and simple. So this is me. This is the 1 inch we have that we folded. If you remember the part, then they're trying to trim the excess of it. Then after that, you place your heat or your gum, your heat adhesive stay. You place it on the 1 inch. You fold it so that to have a good finishing, or to have a good what is it called, to have a nice placket that won't give us issues. This is how it's been done. And if you find this video helpful, please encourage us with supporting to my YouTube channel, because you subscribing goes a long way. Please subscribe, like, share to your friends, and comment, and also turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I post the sewing of this placket on the senator kaftan. So then after, you measure your opening of your placket, what you want to make your opening. Sometimes I use 7.5, sometimes I use 7, depending on who I'm making the clothes for. So for this video I'm using 7.5, which is 7.5. So after that one, you get your 7.5, then you divide your, the folded part that we did on it, you divide like half of an inch from it, just as shown in the video. Can you see? Then after that one, you take your half part of the hemi gum that we have left while we were trying to, while we use it to hold the beginning of the placket. If you remember, when after we cutting our placket and placing on it, so this is the half gum stick that we have left. We are using it to hold down the fabrics on the clothes, because this is a temporary hairstyle, if you know. So it's used to hold down the fabrics on the clothes, but this is going to help us to achieve or to get a neat work. Can you see how I'm doing it? Trust me, if you follow this step by step, you will get a neat placket just like this. I'm saying that if you watch to the ending of the video, you will get the secret ingredient of it. This is one of the secret ingredients: applying your hemi gum where it needs to be. Can you see how neat the job is? Can you see how neat our placket is? So the 1/8 that we did, can you see the allowance we are having at the end part? Can you see how neat this placket is? So please do well to subscribe and wait for the next video on how to fold this placket on a kaftan.